given chemistry from 8 plus B section. This is ploughing tractor. This is the product ploughing tractor without men.
Materials required: wheels, Arduino UNO, Bluetooth module, battery, motors,
iOS die RC. We can operate it by mobile phone. First of all, open the app. Bluetooth terminal and Bluetooth terminal HC05 and connect to the F9. And operate it for 2s, it will go backward. And operated 4 3s, it will go left side. Operated 6s, the plow will up. And operated 7s, the plow will down.
advantages: environmental benefits, automation, safety, fast effectiveness, easy to operative.
But the golden
Golden opportunity.